Hi, hello, good morning engineers. Naririnig po ba ako? Pahingi po ako ng reactions. Yeah. So, again, good morning po. So, I'll be your instructor po for Thermodynamics 2, ME405. So, a slight introduction lang po, bago tayo mag-start or proper discussion ng syllabus today. Introduce ko lang po yung sarili ko. So, I am Engineer Dinmar Joseph Adaw, a registered mechanical engineer, and uh, kakapasa ko lang po ng boards last year, August 2024. Tapos, nagturo na din po ako ng first sem, second sem, as well as ngayon po, summer midterm class. So, ano po ba yung mga subjects na naituro ng sir? So, ang naturo ko na po mga subjects are differential equations, mathematics in the modern world, ME Laboratory 2, powertrain dynamics, and AE Elective 2, Modern Vehicle Technology. Ano po? Tapos, mga courses ko din po na naturuan ay Civil Engineering, Geological Engineering, Transportation Engineering, Automotive Engineering, at Mechanical Engineering. Ano po? So, ano lang, uh, uh, ako po ay 23 years old pa lang. So, nasa same age bracket tayo. So, technically, nasa bridging tayo ng communication. Ano ba? So, ayun. So, yun po ang aking sarili. So, if may question po tayo doon, or if may question kayo sa akin, you can send it to Google Chat. Ano po? I am open na 24/7, but as long as gising ako, makakapag-reply po ako. Ano po? So, then I'll be sharing to you po the syllabus ng ating subject. Wait lang po. Yan. Nakikita po ba yung naka-share screen? Yan. Ayan. So again, good morning engineers. So let me just discuss to you the course syllabus ng ating subject. So the course code is ME405 and the course title is Thermodynamics 2. So this is three units, and ang prerequisite po nila or nito is 402 or ME402, and that is Thermodynamics 1. So this is a midterm for second year. And dalawa po yung instructor ng Thermodynamics 2 ngayon, which is si Sir Lalong Isip and ako po. Okay? So, PRs po tayo per lecture or per meeting. Tapos, per week naman po tayo is 3 meetings. So, therefore, 9 hours po tayo per week. Okay, so paano po ba tayo gagamitan dito sa subject? So, we do have here 4 criterias. 25% po for problem set. So, ang problem set po natin is dalawa. Midterm exam, that's 25%, as well as final exam ay 25% din po. Then sa quizzes naman po, that's also 2 quizzes, and that is 25%. So ano naman po ba yung intended learning outcomes ng ating subject? So we do have 3. So first is to determine the physical and thermodynamic properties of an ideal gas mixture, real gases, and mixture of gases. Second ILO is to apply the concepts of thermodynamic in analyzing power cycles. And lastly, to evaluate the performance of vapor power cycles in gas power plants and standard air power cycle. So ito po yung magiging assessments natin. So we do have 2 quizzes, 2 problem sets, and midterms and final examination. Nakasulat naman din po dito kung saan pong ILO naka-base yung ating magiging content ng quiz problem set as well as the examinations. Ano ba? So if you want to have an advanced readings, you can browse these textbooks as well as these articles. Ano po? Nakikita nyo din naman ito sa internet ang iba dito. Okay, so these IGAs and as well as student outcomes and CDIOs ay um, i-discuss naman siya or makikita nyo naman dito sa mismong syllabus natin. So for grading system, I hope you're familiar with this. So ayan, excellent, superior, very good as well as the others. Okay? Then for class policies naman po. So since ito po is midterm class, so technically 6 weeks lang yung ating klase. So I hope umattend na lang din kayo ng klase natin kasi one meeting natin per session natin is equivalent to one day or 1 week ng regular semester. Ano po? So therefore, dun sa ating sa ating isang week ngayong midterms, that's 3 weeks equivalent dun sa regular class natin or regular semester natin. So mahigpit po ba ang sir sa attendance? Medyo po. So kapag po absent or may mga kailangang puntahan, magsabi po agad. Then, ano ba yun? Then, iwasan natin yung pag-absent dito sa subject kasi yung subject nito is applied all throughout your journey sa mechanical engineering. Kaya dapat naintindihan natin yung mismong subject na ito. Okay? Fast phase po yung ating subject kasi po nasa midterm class tayo. So, technically, parang isang lesson, isang meeting natin. So, 3 lessons per week tayo dito. Ano po? So, hihimay-himay naman natin siya para mas maintindihan natin or mas maintindihan ng ating classmates. Okay? So, yan. So, dito naman tayo sa mga topics and kung anong weeks natin sila i-discuss. Okay? So, for first week natin, so we have here the orientation, yung ngayon po, orientation and introduction. Then, followed tayo ng mga next meeting natin ngayong week. So, technically, bukas ito. Review of thermodynamic cycle and processes of vapor. The next week, face-to-face natin, meron po tayong quiz 1 with regards dito sa ating unang dalawang topic na diniscuss po. Followed by the discussion of your simple ideal Rankine cycle and actual Rankine cycle, as well as the improving Rankine cycle efficiency. That's for week 2. Followed by week 3, that's your submission of problem set 1, and that is your midterm examination. Then for week 4 naman po, we'll be discussing the ideal and actual reheat Rankine cycle and the ideal and actual regenerative Rankine cycle. Then week 4 then, quiz 2. Okay. Then for week 5, we'll be discussing the ideal and actual reheat regenerative Rankine cycle, binary cycles, topping or superimposing cycles, and incomplete expansion engine. So, if hindi natin ma-discuss itong 9 binary cycles hanggang dito sa incomplete expansion engine, we'll be focusing more on dito sa tatlo. Yung reheat, regenerative, and reheat regenerative. Para po mas maintindihan natin sila. Okay? Then for the last week, week 6, that's problem set 2 submission as well as your final examination. Okay po. Are there any questions with regards po dito sa mga topics na i-discuss natin as well as sa distribution po ng weeks na ito? Wala po. Yan. Thank you for your reactions. How about the others po? Pahingi po ako ng reactions if nakukuha po itong ating dinidiscuss. Okay. Thank you everyone for those reactions. So ito din naman po yung distribution natin. So for week 7, quiz 1. For week 8, that's problem set 1. And for midterm examination, that's week 9. So quiz 2 natin, week 13. Week 16 natin, problem set 2. Week 17 is final examination. So yung mga week number dito, yan yung meeting natin Yung per week, 1, 2, 3, first week, 4, 5, 6, second week, ganun. Ano pa? So, ayusin ko din ito bago ko i-upload sa ating classroom. So, ano po ba yung mga kailangan natin dito sa subject na ito? Ano yung lagi nating kailangan dala? So, technically, lagi nating dala si CalQ. As well as, yung atin pong steam table. Ano, wag po natin kakalimutan lagi ang steam table na ito. Dito po ba sa subject natin, kailangan po ba mag-notes? Hindi naman po siya required, pero I am encouraging na mag-notes po tayo. Para po kapag nagtanong ang sir ng halimbawa ay reflection kung ano yung mga naging discussion natin from our previous meeting, meron po tayo magiging sagot. Ano ba? Again, I am not requiring to have notes on the subject, but I am encouraging everyone to have. Ano pa? Ipapasa po ba yung mga notes? Hindi po. Pagla-lecture, magno-notes lang tayo para mag-retain yung ating mga inaaral na ito. Okay po. So, are there any questions with regards po sa aking mga instructions? If wala po, can I get a reaction from you, engineers? Yan. So, short meeting lang tayo for today. So, prepare yourself na lang din sa mga susunod na araw natin. Ano po? So, I'll stop sharing my screen. Then, wait lang po. Before we end our session, every session, online session natin, we'll be opening our camera. And then, our class rep will take an online attendance. Ano po? Engineer, sino po yung ating class rep? Tumutan ko lang po. Yan. Engineer, can you take an online attendance po? Engineer Rabino, if I'm not mistaken.
Yes po, sir.
Yan. Kindly open your cameras, engineers. Yan. Tapos, once ready, engineer, Rabino, I mean, kindly count para nakasmile ang ating mga classmates.
1, 2, 3.
Okay na po.
Okay na.
Yan. Engineer, makikisan po ako sa Google Chat yung ating class attendance. Ano po? So everyone, if you do have questions, inquiries, or any other na pwede natin gamitin or sabihin na gustong sabihin sa sir, you can chat me through Google Chat pa. Ano po? Yun pong dinmarjoseph.adaw@chi.edu.ph. Okay po. So again, thank you everyone for attending the session. I hope you have a great day ahead. Thank you po.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you po, sir.
Thank you po, sir.
Thank you po, sir.